na tize tutafika kwa haki zetu.
Ateteri ya ihooto kuma ikundi itiganite rungu rwa iburi ria Pan-African maretie na kayo kamwe makimenereria kiria marauga ni wathani wa githuri uria uratwarithio ni thirikari ya President Samia Suluhu bururi-ini wa Tanzania.
Reports from communities, religious leaders, health workers and rights defenders describe a state unleashed against its own people. Behind the facade of a poorly run election, Suluhu's regime has overthrown the constitution, weaponized state institutions to crush democratic demand, and engineered family rule.
Manathitangira President Suluhu kuhuthira uruhonge cia ugitiri kuguoyohia raia a Tanzania na gutafania ciiko cia kwagarara ihooto cia mundu hamwe na wiyathi wa kwiyaria.
We also demand immediate resignation and prosecution of police, the intelligence and military officials whose actions have resulted in the death, injury and violation of rights of the thousands of Tanzanians. We demand the guarantees that the security services must act with restraint and within the law in protecting the fundamental rights and freedoms of citizens.
Makimenereria ikinya ria gukanjwo kwa mambura ma muthenya wa wiyathi maria makoragwo kuo tariki 9 mweri wa Dithemba niguo kugiria mirurungano ya mũingĩ ĩrĩa ĩrararirio marahinyĩrĩria ihooto cia andũ kwiyaria iheo gĩtĩo. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo maroria mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika kũnyitanĩra na mũingĩ wa Tanzania kwanĩrĩra makaya mao ma gũtetia wathani wa Koigi ũterwo.
We purpose to deliver a memorandum to the Tanzanian embassy tomorrow, which has specific demands to the government of Tanzania.
Ndomereri irerekereirio ni mwaria wa thirikari Tanzania yathĩte andũ othe muthenya wa Jumaine tariki 9 magaikara mĩciĩ o tiga heani ya motungata ma bata.
Rais wa Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania, Mheshimiwa Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, anapenda kuwatakia wananchi wote heri ya sikukuu ya uhuru wa Tanzania bara inayoadhimishwa kila mwaka tarehe 9 Disemba. Aidha, serikali inawashauri wananchi wote ambao tarehe 9 Disemba 2025 hawatakuwa na dharura kuitumia siku hiyo kwa mapumziko, hivyo kusherehekea siku hiyo wakiwa nyumbani.
Gerifotera Inoro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Viva, viva, viva Africa.